Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nabila, in case you're new here. If you're old, you're gold. Today is a family day out. I'm in Mombasa. As you can see, the streets are quite familiar. Otherwise, today is another bright new day. We're going with our family to a picnic. Extended family.
So guys, we reached the Isle of the Caribs and we're going to see what we're going to
buy.
choose.
And this is my favorite chocolate, Snickers. I'm not a fan of energy drinks. I hate energy drinks. So basically this is what we took. This is all that we took. It's a lot. So guys, we had planned to go Butterfly and have a picnic with the family, but it's almost full and the place closes around 6. So we decided, because we already had the shopping and the kids are already exempted, we're going to take them to a public beach. There are many public beaches in Mombasa, and this is one of the most private beaches in Mombasa. To stop katikati ya barabara kwa sababu we have to stop because my sister's Tuk Tuk kama katikati. Tuk Tuks are one of the most affordable transports when you're in Mombasa. Anywhere you want. So guys, a picnic at Butterfly changed to
a
beach
date
with the family.
But to be honest, I am wearing an outfit for hiking. No other option but to be at the beach. So the kids are gonna swim either
Same
way.
here. So guys, join us. I can't tell you guys how happy I am to be at the beach. It's been almost a year and some few months. I live in Mombasa and I haven't been to a beach for a year and a few months. Someone told me that everything in a beach is meditative. The sound of the beach, that's meditative. The smell, the sand, everything about a beach is relaxing and meditative. So welcome, karibuni Mombasa guys. Let us plan this picnic place. Hi Bobo. Hi. This is your first time at the beach?
Oh, I have a stick. Baba G.
Bas. Champata.
Essential things you need
For picnic.
You need wipes,
Pampers,
extra clothes.
extra clothes for the baby.
Sit down.
A baby. To my key.
Yeah. Other one.
Thumbs up. Comment down below in case you want the direction, much more clear direction of this place. Hi guys, I have to end the vlog right here because the golden hour is finishing and my battery charge is also finishing. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, Subscribe to my channel to join the family. Hit the notification bell to get posted on any of my other new videos. Till next time.
Besos.